In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign with Monday.com. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance your workflow by automating document signing processes directly within your Monday.com work environment. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the top right of your Monday.com page. Here you'll see an icon that looks like a little puzzle piece. This is your gateway to the Monday Marketplace, where you can find various apps that can be integrated into your workspace to optimize your tasks and projects. Click on this puzzle icon to enter the marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, the next step is to locate DocuSign. Simply use the search bar to type in DocuSign, and you should be able to see it pop up in the results. Click on DocuSign and then proceed to click on the Install App button. During this process, you will be prompted to select the workspaces where you want the DocuSign app to be active. Carefully choose the relevant workspaces that will benefit from this integration, and you're done with this part. Now that you have DocuSign installed, you might be wondering how to begin using it. Well, it's quite simple. Look at the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard and find the Automate button. Click on this button to start setting up your automation. In the Automation Center, use the search function to look for DocuSign. Here, you'll see various automation templates specifically designed for different workflows. Select the template that best fits the automation you wish to apply to your new integration. Each template has a unique setup process, which will guide you through configuring your automation. This might involve setting triggers, specifying actions, or defining conditions under which your documents are automatically sent for signing. Once you've selected your template, follow the prompts carefully. Pay attention to any specific details and ensure that each step is configured to your requirements. If you ever feel unsure about a particular setting, feel free to explore additional resources or support documentation available within Monday.com or DocuSign for that extra bit of guidance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated DocuSign into your Monday.com workspace, enabling a seamless document signing experience that's tailored to your team's workflow needs. Remember, automation is all about making your work life more efficient. So take the time to adjust and experiment with different templates and configurations until everything fits perfectly into your processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Monday.com experience with DocuSign. See you in the next video.